He's recording.
Rolling. I'm gonna piss off these bees. These are some big old bees.
Did I hit the nest?
No, you hit underneath it, but...
Those things are mean.
I'm gonna get the nest.
The water's just right there. Go back out and get it.
Warm it or no?
Yeah, they're still attacking.
Like tons of them?
Like 2 or 3 every once in a while. Just wait.
They're so pissed.
Yeah, they are.
Do you have a straw?
A straw?
You can shoot a thumbtack out of a straw. Spirit.
Oh my god.
Oh! There almost one came in.
Almost 5? Are you kidding?
Well, no, almost one came in the door.
That's what I'm saying, but it was like 5. They were in a group.
Where's the water bottle?
Dude, they're pissed.
Same place.
Did that one hit the nest?
Oh yeah. Pew, pew, pew.
I get the feeling they're not gonna stop flying for a little while.
Pew, pew.
They're so stupid.
I've experienced war, my friends. I've experienced war. It's a horrible thing.
Oh, man.
I wish we could have recorded you running into the door.
I know. Pew, pew.
We're not gonna see.
Oh, it was funny.